How to limit the number of autoresponder messages sent in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to limit the number of autoresponder messages people can get. Click the autoresponders icon. You can set an autoresponder message limit by editing an existing autoresponder or while creating a new one. Let's edit an existing one. Click Edit. The interval field is where you can limit the number of times the autoresponder is sent to an address. If you put an 8 here, that means that this autoresponder will only send an email address once within an 8-hour period, no matter how many times the autoresponder is triggered. Click Create Modify to save your changes. That's it. The new interval has been set. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to limit the number of autoresponder messages sent in cPanel.